Are you new to woodworking or experiencing difficulty with certain projects? Whether you're a newbie or an experienced woodworker, these expert tips shown in the videos can help you speed up the process of creating your projects. Many professional-looking finishes are really doable if you just know a few simple skills and techniques which you will watch in the videos. From cutting perfectly mitered corners to achieving the perfect designer finish on that new piece of DIY furniture you just made, you'll find tons of tricks, tips and techniques on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.